What up, guys? It's Boss Jackal, and today I'm gonna be showing two of my best ever made Halo Infinite flood infected Spartan combat forms. Yeah, that's long. I'm not sure how am I gonna be able to fit that in the thumbnail. Not in the thumbnail, but like the description of the video, or whatever it's called. But here's this flood infected Spartan. We got two of them. So if you guys have looked at my past videos, you guys already seen this guy before. So yeah, when I looked back at the custom figures, I looked at this guy and I realized how nicely painted he was and all of that. So I decided to make another, except the red turned it out a little more darker. And they don't really match, but that's alright. So if you want to see a video of this guy, go watch the... Actually, that might be hard to find. Yeah, okay, well, here's, I might as well just show him in this video, because that might be hard to find. Alright, so yeah, like, I'm not sure if you guys could see, but he has pink on his tongue right here. Pink. And got red on there. Got, like, so the idea is like a flood infection form would infect him, and a tentacle would rip out of his neck, rather than like little tentacle things. 3 tentacles that are red from the tip and have like hair on them. Yeah. So this is so instead he just has a whole tentacle coming out of his neck. He even has 3 balls on his back. Like, for example, we just ripped out through his armor, and then just grew a tongue through here to his neck. But yeah, his waist doesn't rotate because of this part, the flood biomass. Well, not biomass, but the clay just gets in the way. Yeah, the clay. Here is here's how it looks like right next to a normal Spartan. Also, I'm recording this on my phone, so yeah, if it's a bit darker, then yeah, I gotta change the colors and all that for this one. But anyways, yeah, this guy. So this guy has like 3 arms. This one doesn't move all the way, just this tiny part moves. Well, I guess it does wiggle a little bit. Okay, that doesn't sound good. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. Alright, but anyways, yeah, he got an arm right here, and this one doesn't have any armor. Yeah, 2 heads, 1 ball in the back. And I reused some figures, as you can tell from that red paint on his back. So yeah, my other custom figure, yeah, he's gone now. I just took off all the tentacles and all that, and then just reused him. But yeah, the back, the front. Right next to another Spartan. So these guys, they could hold weapons. So this would be like a new variant for Halo Infinite, a new flood combat form for Halo Infinite. Well, a Spartan flood combat form. This one, he could hold 2 weapons. He could either hold 1 Magnum and one of these rifles, or he could hold just 2 rifles. Hold on. Yeah, either you could hold 1 Magnum and 1 rifle. So pretty much you would have the Magnum right here. Or 2 rifles, I don't know. Oh, is it called a rifle? I don't wanna get this wrong. Hold up, I'll be right back. Yeah, so I kind of got it right. It is a rifle, but it's not called a rifle. It's called an assault rifle. Okay, I'm kind of remembering just a little bit about the names. Alright, anyways, yeah, this is the Spartan. Got dark red on him. Yep. This one has more like a bright red color. He looks pretty good. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, actually, I know you guys probably are watching this and probably really want me to compare these to my other previous flipped combat forms, so I'll do that. Other flipped combat form from Halo 3. Not the... Yeah, this one has more flood biomass. These guys have less flood biomass. But you could clearly tell that they're infected. Oh yeah, tank form. Yeah, so tank form is still taller than these guys. Actually, I got another one, but he's a lot more taller because this is the older one. This is the least older one. Yeah, so yeah, this guy. These guys don't really go well with the other flood combat forms that I made that are supposed to be based off Halo 3. Alright, but anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably should have filmed the video this close. Yeah, this will give you guys a better view. Alright, but anyways, that's it for the video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.